Today in livestock, cattle was a little bit easier. That boxed beef prices are a little bit weak, but in spite of that, the market has not dropped, showing its tremendous strength, possibly because of that Senate legislation that was passed to support Hong Kong. That just tells us there isn't going to be any kind of resolution with the U.S.-China tariff war anytime soon. That is positive for the beef side, because I think that a lot of the markets have moved to beef over pork just because of the skyrocketing prices in China and the production that we have here in the U.S. Now, feeders were also lower, but they kind of were mixed even all day long on both sides of the market. The focus is really on the USDA report that's coming on Friday, the cattle on feed report. There's real concerns that the futures, as they remain stable, the market was at some point is going to break out. Now with this surprise legislation that came in yesterday, and the president saying that he's going to add more tariffs, perhaps it'll give us one more surge in the market on feeders and on the live cattle market. And we'll see that again. That's creating the chasm lower a little bit bigger. We know at some point that there is going to be a correction. It's not going to be today, I can tell you that. But the hogs did fall. They're lower for the third day in a row. As production increases, the supplies increase, the weights of the hogs also increase. That deal just seems further and further away, and that is just means that it is a continued momentum to the downside for this lean hog market. It has been very, very difficult and devastating to that entire pork industry. We're hoping to be saved by perhaps maybe more talks about at least a phase one right now. But watching the hearings just seems to stall out the markets right now. The U.S. dollar index also is strong, so that doesn't help for our exports. It's really a difficult task right now, so we're going to watch closely every day to see if there's something else that we can get a little bit better of a lift for the lean hog market at this point.